And quite frankly, I didn't want to have the biggest boobs in the hot tub over Christmas when three of the people coming are women. What's good, everyone? It's been a little while. I am currently somewhere. Yeah. No, honestly, I'm currently somewhere between Down End, Emerson's Green. I'm probably in Emerson's Green, to be honest. That's probably where I am. I'm just riding back, and I wasn't planning on making a video, but then I opened my bag to get my vape out and realised that I had both my camera and my microphone in my bag. So I was like, you know what, sod it. I haven't done a video in a little while, so I haven't done a video in a while, so I thought, sod it, I'll do one. Unfortunately, the only thing I didn't have with me is my filter for my microphone. So what I've done, I've put it underneath my shirt to hopefully avoid some of the wind, but it may sound a little more muffled than it usually is. So as you can see, we're on the Bristol Bath cycle path, and just heading back home. But yeah, I just thought I'd do a little, you know, one of our chatty ones rather than anything else. So what's new with me? So we did the podcast quite a while ago now, and we were talking about, you know, our goals, our weight loss goals, and all those kind of things. So I thought I'd do a little update to that. So a little bit of backstory. So coming up this December, me and my missus decided to treat our mates to a cabin holiday over Christmas. So we purchased that, and it's a cabin with a hot tub, right? And quite frankly, I didn't want to have the biggest boobs in the hot tub over Christmas when three of the people coming are women. So I've set a goal for myself. Well, me and Zach have both set goals for ourselves, because Zach's put on a bit of weight again after losing quite a bit, so he needs to get down. And I think his goal's like 40 pounds, something like that, which is about, I don't know, 17, 18 kilograms, something like that. And then mine is about 60 pounds, so you're talking like 27 kilograms, something like that. So yeah, that's the goal. I want to lose 60 pounds before December, because we're going December the 6th, so I want to lose 60 pounds. And that seems, you know, pretty possible, because I've lost 5 stone, which is around the same amount. Yeah, I've lost 5 stone before in around 6 months, so it's around the same amount of time. So I reckon I can do it again, because that'll bring me down to around 18 stone, something like that. Thanks, mate. Around 18 stone, something like that, which probably seems still like a lot to people. Cheers. But when you're as big as I am, 18 stone is it's like night and day. It's probably like the average person being around 11 stone is me being 18 stone. So that's the goal. And how are we going to do that? So, number one, get out on the bike more. Number two, go for a walk at least every day. Which thankfully is a hell of a lot easier when the weather is like this. Got shorts on, only a t-shirt. Glorious. It's around 21, 22 degrees today. And yeah, a hell of a lot easier to do in this weather. Then number 3, intermittent fasting. So I'm going to intermittent fast every single day. Every single day to my calorie deficit. So I've set mine to the maximum, right? On my app, I've got an app that tells me my maximum, which is to lose, I think it's something mental, like 2 kilograms a week. So my daily calorie limit right at this moment is 1,400 calories every day. So I'm going to intermittent fast until about 5:30, 6 o'clock every day, and then eat that. And then, if I can, obviously, it's hard to eat 14 calories in one meal. And then that'll be every single day except for Thursday. So on a Thursday, I will do 600 calories that day. That's it. Give me that little bit of a boost. So yeah, that is what we're doing. And then eventually what I want to do is drop down to about 20 stone. So around 28 pounds away from my goal. And then once I hit there, switch it up a bit, add more protein to the diet, and start working out regularly to build some muscle. Because the thing is, I'm 6'5", so I'm already a big dude. Yeah, so get down to about, as I said, and then start working out more regularly, or just working out at all regularly, building that muscle, because I'm 6'5", and I have, and this isn't being big-headed, I have all the attributes to have, quite a good-looking physique, if I had the discipline, which I don't. And it's about trying to develop that. And my girlfriend's helping me with it, because she's lost like mad amounts of weight, like 6.5 stone, something like that in the last year. Works out every day. She looks amazing, And at the moment, I am punching, boys. I am punching. So I need to get down there. And just be nice. And then for the cabin, have a nice physique, or at least the start of a physique that I am happy with, or, content with at least. Because at the moment, I'm as far from content as you can imagine. So I thought I'd share that. So what I'll probably do is I'll probably try, now we've got good weather, to go back to, one video a week at least. And I'll just give you an update. Because my weigh day is going to be Friday. So I'll probably weigh on the Friday, do a video on the Saturday. And give you a little update how that's going. And obviously, if you're losing weight and getting fit yourself, honestly, I'm all ears to ideas and stuff. So if you are, let me know what you're doing, how it's going, all that kind of stuff. And we can talk about it. Fucking hell, traffic here is mental, mate. Jeez. Yeah, not been this busy around here for a while. To be fair, it's a Monday lunchtime, so I'm guessing they're all getting some lunch. All grabbing something to eat. So yeah, as I said, I'm all ears to suggestions. What's worked for you? What doesn't work for you? And then hopefully my kind of end goal is that kind of 5, 6 months of like really kind of hard graft will develop discipline in my head, because obviously, as I mentioned before, I have lost 5 stone before in around 5, 6 months. Proper powered out, gotten really good. Like kind of like I didn't have like the perfect body or anything like that. Don't get me wrong, but I just felt so much better about myself. And like one of the main problems for me, and anyone that's watching who's a big guy like I am, you know, fucking just pain everywhere. You know, you got bad back, bad knees, all those kind of things. And like when I lost it before, I just didn't have any of those symptoms. And I took it like massively for granted, you know. And then obviously COVID hit, started getting McDonald's delivered, all those kind of things. It just piled it back on, all back on, probably in about, you know, another 5 months, you know. Yeah, it was wild. And then I lost 3 stone again, so I'm not as big as I used to be. I sit now probably around 22 and a half stone, something like that. And I was over 25 because my scale only goes up to 25. So when I was losing weight for like the first like 4 weeks, it didn't change. It didn't change at all. And then I looked at the manual and it was because 25 stone was the max it would display. So I have no idea what I was at my heaviest, but it was well over 25 stone, put it that way. Because at that stage, because I was so big, dieting well, I was losing like £4 or £5 a week. It was just bloody falling off me. You know, water weight, all that kind of stuff. That's right, mate. So yeah, it was absolutely just flying off me at that point in my life. So yeah, that is the overall kind of mission. Get back fit, or get to some level of fitness, not back fit. I haven't been fit for since I was probably about 13, you know, which is a scary long time ago now. And yeah, just try and achieve something, you know what I mean? Try and achieve a level of fitness that I'm happy with. So, yeah, that's probably it for today. Thank you for listening to me waffle. Glad to be out on the bike. Glad to be talking to you guys again. And I will see you next time. And remember, stay awesome.